Stomach growls can be embarrassing, but do you actually know the reason why your stomach growls, especially when you're hungry? That rumbling sound happens when your digestive system is moving air and fluids through your intestines. When your stomach is empty, those sounds get louder because there's no food to muffle the noise. But here's something interesting. Your stomach growls even when you've eaten. It's just quieter since food absorbs some of the sound. Your body actually goes through these motions throughout the day, whether or not you're hungry. It's part of a process called the migrating motor complex that helps clear out any leftover food or waste. So next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body keeping things moving.